Hi, I'm Simon with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we're going to show you how to repair your appliance. Are you ready? Remember, anytime you work on your appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. In this video, we'll show you how to replace the door basket in a Kenmore refrigerator. It's going to be a very easy repair. Should only take a couple of minutes to show you how to do it. When you open up the package, you're going to get a new door basket. This door basket is located at the lower portion of the right side French door. It's used for additional storage of produce. The most common reason to replace the door basket is if it cracks and no longer stays in place or keeps the food in. To get to the part, we need to open the right side French door. To remove the door basket, we need to push it up. This is the old door basket next to the new one. If you don't have this part, you can get it from AppliancePartsPros.com. To install the new door basket, we need to slide it in all the way and then press it down. Now we can close the door. Plug the fridge back in and make sure it's cooling. Thank you for being a part of another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. For any of your future appliance repair projects, please check out our other videos available on our site, on Facebook, on YouTube, and on Instagram.